Learn how to make an easy ribbon rose using this simple 10-minute tutorial. All you need is a bit of ribbon and some hand sewing needle and thread. Start by cutting 8 equal strands of ribbon. The strand should be approximately 1.5 inches in length. Fold the strands in half on the diagonal. Line up the ribbon pieces into a swirl. As you line up the ribbon pieces, make sure that the bottom half of the ribbon lines up with the top half of the previous ribbon. This will naturally make the pieces line up in a swirl pattern. Make a long basting stitch around the outer edge of your ribbon pieces. Pull the thread to gather the base of the flower. As you gather it, roll the swirl around itself. And then tie off the end of the thread to secure the shape of the flower. And that's it, you're finished.